I'm just sitting here in my garage. I just finished doing a detail on the 84 300 CD. Well, as much a mechanic's detail, not like a professional detail shop, but I cleaned it up real nice. As I was cleaning it up, I was just going around checking everything out. I'm just amazed at how it's in this condition. It's just all the little stuff. Like, look at that. Look at that bumper. Like, that looks brand new. The lights. I mean, it's just an amazing car. But let me show you underneath it. Let me turn the light on. But like, check this out. Look at the, that's me. I just sprayed it down with some Windex and wiped everything off so I could get a good look at everything. But look at the ball joints. Look at the tie rods. Let's see. Look at the boots. Everything looks new. Look over here at this one. Again, that's Windex that I sprayed on there so I could clean it off and see. Because it did look like that. It had some dirt on it, so I wanted to see it. Look at that. It's incredible. Look at the bushings. Like, I got under here to look at everything. I'm just, it's shocking. How can a 35-year-old car be in this good a condition? Yeah, look at the bushings over here. They're just like, everything's on it is perfect. Let's walk back here. I haven't cleaned under here. I mean, you can see there's, you know, there's the muffler. Let's see. Yeah, check this out. Like, there's not a drop of oil anywhere on the diff cover. You can still see some like cadmium plating on the bolt there, the fill hole. Look at the boots. I mean, worse, the paint flaked a little bit right there. Look at the boots. The boots look like they were recently installed. I mean, there you go. Look at the flex disc. It's like, there's the fuel line. It's not wet. The clip still has cadmium plating on it. God, they cadmium plated everything. This car is just incredible. Look at the exhaust. I mean, there's some dirt from the car being driven. I've never washed under here. It's just incredible. Look at the exhaust hangers. I mean, somebody had to have changed them. There's no way those are 35 years old. But I was just blown away by this vehicle. Stuff like the, I mean, look at the wheel. Give me a break. How does the wheel still look like that? It's still got the plugs in the jack points. I don't want to break that. It's in there pretty good. There's not even like rock chips in the moldings here. There's a little dirt right there. There's some dirt under the car. Obviously, the place I picked it up was off a dirt road in North Carolina. Yeah, even the control rod bushings. Yeah, look at the oil filter housing. There's not even any oil up there. There's not even any. They still got the cadmium plating on the bracket. It's ridiculous. Look, it's still got the original, like, the color is bright on the brake lines. Still got the yellow paint there where the engineers marked that that had been torqued down. It's just incredible. Let's look over here. Original R12 AC system. Works great. I actually charged it up with some R12 last night. And it works fantastic. That's the real deal stuff right there, folks. Stuff's expensive. Yeah, look under here. Okay, it's got a little dirt under there. How is that not all beat up? And it was owned by a doctor and a dentist, and I'm guessing it was like their third car or something, and just kind of sat around in the garage. Just crazy. I haven't done anything to this car. And the interior it matches what you just saw. It's flawless. Here we go. I just lowered it down off the lift. Look at this. This is like a museum piece. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let me go up here. That's leather. Look at that. Incredible. Just fantastic. Hope my phone is doing this justice. Let's see if I turn off the light. What it looks like. Yeah, not good. Look at the roof. There's a little bitty mark there where the sunroof has been sliding underneath there. Look at that chrome, man. I mean, come on. I'm up on the lift. Hopefully I'm not going to fall off and bust my ass. Look at the chrome up here. Look at the seal. One of a kind right here. One of a kind. All right, let me get down without killing myself here. There we go. Look at that. I'm just going to go in detail. See back there, there's no rust. Pins are in excellent condition. I guess that's original sticker on the wiring harness. I don't know. Look at the little rubber pieces. They're like brand new. Step over here and see. Cadmium plating is on the bolts. Was that a piece of pine straw? Get that out of there. Look at the rubber. The condition of the rubber. Still got all the Mercedes clamps on here. Look at the cloth braiding around the wires. Fantastic. You can see the original paint is, some of it's still on the exhaust manifold. Anyway, I'm totally nerding out. Look at that. The original cadmium plating still on the hook to remove the engine. Now this is a new hood pad. Still has the sticker on it from when it was purchased. Freaking incredible. Anyway, just wanted to really document this one well before it goes. Because you don't see them like this every day. So I polish the chrome up here. I need to get some bug splats off right there. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make it. What a beautiful car. All right, guys.